Whatever you need. My spirit is simple and strong. I can forge it. Yes, actually. How about you smith me an iron dagger? Here's everything you need to make one. Go ahead. You looking for a new blade? Iron and steel, mostly. I might even have some of your fancy elven pieces lying around somewhere. Not bad, but it's a little dull. How about you sharpen it up? Just need a bit of metal and the grindstone over there. Until next time. Take what you need, my friend. Within reason, of course. I could forge you a warhammer that would crush a giant's head like a walnut. This looks good. You put time into your blades. They'll serve you well when you need them. You want to keep helping? How about you make some armor? Let's start by tanning some leather on the rack. Aye. What's that? You looking for a new blade? Ah, good. A lot of weapons and armor need leather for straps, fittings, that kind of thing. Let's see if you can make a hide helmet. Here's the rest of what you need. Iron and steel, mostly. You the sneaky type? Got some nice daggers around here somewhere. I should hire you to be my assistant at this rate. Let's improve the fit. Take this leather to the workbench over there. All right. Take what you need. I could forge you a warhammer that would crush a giant's head like a walnut. You have talent. Keep working at your craft, and you'll be a fine smith one day. Why don't you keep that dagger and helmet? Maybe you'll remember me when you're making Skyforge steel, huh?